When building your dream PC, every component counts, yet the power supply often gets overlooked. The power supply unit, or PSU, is the unsung hero that fuels your system's performance. Understanding wattage is not just an option, it's a necessity for stability, safety, and long-term efficiency. PSU wattage directly reflects how much power your system can consume safely. Undervaluing it can lead to failures. Overestimating wastes resources. So, calculate the combined power needs of your components. From the CPU to the GPU, every part has unique demands requiring careful consideration. To begin, look up the wattage requirements for your CPU and GPU. These two alone often consume over half of the total power. Add in memory, storage, and cooling, and you'll have a clear wattage baseline. Tools like PSU calculators are indispensable for precision. Next, factor in peak workloads. Gaming, 3D rendering, or video editing pushes your system to its limits, requiring maximum power. Consider your system's future. Will you upgrade to a stronger GPU or add more components? Opt for a bit more wattage to account for scalability. Efficient PSUs operate at 50 to 70% of their maximum wattage. Choose one with an 80+ efficiency certification, bronze, silver, or gold. Higher efficiency reduces wasted heat and long-term energy costs. Even a slight upgrade in efficiency can make your PC setup both eco-friendly and wallet-friendly. But how much does quality matter? Budget PSUs may look appealing, but they often lack safeguards for voltage spikes or overheating. A trusted brand ensures consistent performance and safety, especially for high-end builds. It's better to invest upfront than risk your entire system. Did you know modular PSUs simplify cable management? Modular or semi-modular options allow you to connect only the cables you need. This not only improves airflow but also reduces clutter within your case, giving your build a polished, professional look. Before purchasing, ensure the PSU size matches your case. ATX, SFX, or SFXL. Each PSU form factor caters to specific setups. A high wattage PSU in the wrong size can complicate installation or jeopardize airflow. Always cross-check compatibility with your case and components. Lastly, always double-check warranty coverage. Quality PSUs often come with warranties lasting 5 years or more. This guarantees peace of mind and reliable performance for the lifetime of your build. Don't overlook warranties. They're part of what makes a PSU truly a long-term investment. Choosing the perfect PSU wattage blends science and strategy. By understanding your power needs, planning for upgrades, and emphasizing efficiency, you create a stable foundation for your PC. Every watt matters, and the right PSU ensures your system performs brilliantly for years to come.